Rick Kresmer here with RoboVent, giving you another look inside RoboVent at the Spire, basically episode 2. We've got several here in the shop, and I noticed a couple of features that I wanted to point out that I missed in episode 1. So just a reminder, the Spire is a dust collector that we apply to robotic welding. 5,000 CFM on source capture for robotic welding. It's got a really small footprint, 3 foot by 3. It ships in one piece, and when it gets on the factory floor, your factory floor, all we have to do is stand it up, run mechanicals, hit the go button, and then you run. So what I wanted to show you today is that bottle up there. It is FM200. Typically, robotic welding, we're going to get sparks every now and again. Sometimes we'll have fire. So that is one of the options that we put on the Spire just in case of fire. If a spark or a flame were to start inside of the dust collector, there are sensors inside of the dust collector that would send a signal to the panel right behind me here. It would shut the system down, and then all the gas inside of the FM200 bottle would go into the inside of the dust collector, suppressing that fire. Great to have just in case you need it. It's an insurance policy. If it were to go off, it's easy cleanup then. It's a dry system. Change the filters, and then you're up and ready to go again. Just wanted to show off this control panel that we have here. Again, looking at ease of use. That's a 7-inch touchscreen there. Really easy to see, even in a dark factory. Very, very, very simple, easy to use, just like your iPhone. Last thing I wanted to point out, we've got that stack light up there, that LED stack light. When your Spire's idle, that stack light would be blue. When you're running and everything's good, it would be green. If the pressure drop on the filters got a little low, or a little high rather, it would go to yellow. So that would say, hey, caution, maybe take a look at me. And then let's say the pressure drop on the filters went to 6 inches of static pressure. Basically time to change out those filters. That stack light would go to red. Hope you enjoyed this look inside of RoboVent at the Spire.